Hintayan nyo lang kung pag-games ulit ako ha. Mama Lu, good morning. Sisi, natanggap mo na yung panalo mo sis Malo. Natanggap mo na yung panalo mo, di ba? Ayan. Oh, lahat ng wala na akong utang kay Sisi Tess, kay The Likers, kay Imelda Ingram, tapos yung GCash na send na din. Congrats all winners. Ayan. Maliit lang muna guys kasi wala pa tayong kita. Pag may kita na tayo, bawi-bawi tayo. Hala, yung sipon ko parang tumutulo. Bawi-bawi lang tayo pag may na. Hopefully sa birthday ko. Ayan. Bawi lang tayo kaya successful kaya ang ating Sisi Imelda, na-send na yung panalo mo sis. Ayan. Dinagdagan ko ng konti yon. Pati kay The Likers. Kapitbahay USA, hello. Don't forget mag-thumbs up kay host, guys. Uy, ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view sa trees, guys. Grabe. Ang ganda pala pag Ayan, for amazing. Congrats all winners, guys. Awi lang tayo next time, ha. Ayan, naglagay lang ako sa liig ko kasi ito yung pinaka-sensitive part ko. Ayan, very light lang ang suot ko ngayon. Very light. Kasi hindi pa masyadong malamig. Kaya pa ng powers natin ang Uy, grabe. Ang ganda talaga ng view, guys. Grabe. Grabe yung trees, guys. Look at the trees. It's super amazing. Ayan. Sis. Morning. Inat palagi. Salamat, Sisi. Ikaw din kasi nagda-drive ka. Nag-live ka, nagda-drive eh. Ayan. Thank you, guys. Ayan, I need. Salamat. Hey, stop. Sit down, sit down. Ayan, I need to pick up. Kung walang nakatingin, pwedeng hindi pick up, may tao. Panoodin. Filipino talaga style. I need to pick up the dirt, the dumi ni Ruby. Ayan, nakuha ko na guys. Ayan, Marcy Green. Good morning, Sisi. Ayan. Good morning. Ayan. Ayan, sobrang ganda guys. Look at that. Nakita nyo? Grabe ang ganda ng view. Good morning. Yung pinadala ni LBS Isis? Yes, Sisi. Yung pinadala ni Sisi LBS Isis. Kasi si Sisi LBS is lang naman ang nakisuyo lang ako, Sis Imelda. Sisi, nakisuyo lang ako. Ayan. Ayan, yung apat, si Sis Tess, ikaw, si The Likers at Sis Malo. Yun, mga, yun, pinadala. Pinadala ni yun. Ayun. Thank you sa inyo. I know, Chris. Hello. How are you, my friend? Is it beautiful, the trees? Look at all the leaves are dropping in the ground. And it's super beautiful. Ayan, and this is my dog, Ruby. I know, Chris. Good morning. I know you're in your work right now. Ayan. Hello, my friend. Hello. Ayan. I'll visit you soon. Oh, there's a lot of birds right now. Yeah. All right. It's super beautiful. Ayan. Thank you, Kapitbahay USA. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ayan. It's so amazing. Ayan. Look at how the leaves here. It's super pretty. Okay, wait. I'm gonna make a